You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it's I, Ema. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys are can probably already tell what the video is going to be all about because of the thumbnail and of course the title of the video. And I'm very, very excited. I'm literally buzzing. So yeah, I got this. The iPod, the AirPod Max. First of all, guys, I just want to let you guys just break it down for you guys a little bit, yeah? I am not an Apple fan at all, yeah? Yes, I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but that was only purely the fact that I did not like the Samsung devices that they brought out, especially the Ultra series. And the iPhone 14 Pro Max, they came up with the beautiful dynamic up this, I can't remember what is it, dynamic island, and obviously the 48 megapixel camera. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna grab that and switch it up a little bit. But here I am, and when I'm purchased a freaking Apple AirPod Max. Now I got two freaking items in the house that is freaking Apple. That's, I don't know how to feel about that, man. But anyways, yeah, I was in the gym yesterday and I actually listened to one of my boys when they go to the gym, and I was like, whoa, I was literally blown away. The Sony headphones that I had, I think it's the WH-X5, I think. I literally, today I sold that, and then I went to get this one. Because it's so crazy, it's mad, bruh. It's mad, the bass is ridiculous out of this word. So you know what, yeah. Anyways, let's unbox it and test it out, and I'll give you guys a little bit of like a preview about it. But yeah, let's go, let's get it. But yeah, around the box looks good. I mean, for a high branded company like Apple, don't expect less from them for their boxes. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Whew, obviously the wrap has been taken off because I bought this secondhand. So yeah, anyways, whew, god damn. It's got a bit of weight to it, man. Literally, yesterday when I tried them with my guys in the gym, literally it had a bit, it was hefty. I was like, whoa, like this is a bit mad, bruv. Right, that's the headset there, but let's see what else is in the box. Yeah, okay, so in here we have a few paperwork from Apple. Is there any stickers in here? No, no stickers. Apple's not giving us stickers anymore, but yeah, this is just what we have here. Few bit of paperwork and that, and then we have, of course, the lead for it, which is lightning cable to USB-C, which is freaking great because USB-C rocks the word. And iPhone 15 is coming out with USB-C, so that's very, very exciting. I can't wait for that. But yeah, yeah, let's just have a look, man. So this is the case it comes in. Very nicely packaged case, man. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, man. Look at the case, man. What? That's freaking awesome, man. I mean, these are the products that I never was gonna get from Apple to even review on the channel because of how much they were. £500. Wow. Hell no. But yeah, anyways, this looks amazing, man. I mean, there's nothing left to do but to just try them on and see what they're like. Okay, yesterday obviously I had a brief, put on, but I didn't really adjust it to my head and all of that stuff. So here we go. Ooh, god damn. Ooh. Okay, so basically I can't even hear nothing going on right now in the background. Well, not that there is a lot of stuff going on in the background right now, but wow, it feels amazing, looks amazing, fits amazing too. Oh my god, man, look at this. Oh my god. I'm an Apple fanboy now. Oh my god. Right, okay, I'm gonna test it out, listen to some music and obviously give you guys my feedback. But we'll be listening to, obviously I like my Afrobeat, so we'll be listening to Available by Davido, as you can see there. Right, I want to test for the bass and all of that stuff. Okay. Alright, let's put the volume up, all the way up. Volume is all the way up. They don't see, I'm all abele. They don't see, I'm all abele. They know they see Abola Bele. They know they see she. Woman. She. Hey. Woman. Hey. Bro, I can't even hear I can't even hear myself talking, bro. I can a little bit, but I can't, bro, I'm literally shouting right now. I can barely hear myself. Shee! Hey. Abona bele. They know the sea. Amola bele. They know the sea. Amola bele. They know the sea. Hey, Amola bele. They know the sea. Aye. Aye. Yo, bro. This thing is nuts, man. Hoo-wee. Bro, this thing is crazy, bro. Oh my god. Mate, I didn't think Apple had it in them to actually create a noise cancelling headset that just sounds absolutely insane out of this world. Oh my god. If I was to judge them, yeah, compare them with the Sony headphones that I had before, this blows it out of the water, man. Don't get it wrong, the Sony headset, yeah, it's on a different level as well, yeah. It's beautiful. The noise cancelling is absolutely awesome, yeah. But this just blows out of the water. If I was to rate this Sony headset, I rate it like a 9.5 out of 10. But this is at like a 10, bruv. This is nuts. Let me listen to something else, yeah. Whew. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see. Let's look into something from Drake, man. Let's see. No, Chris Brown actually. Okay. So we're listening to. I'm gonna listen to Chris Brown x Taji. Ayo. Back in my days, this song was the bomb. The bass is nuts. So let's go. Let's see. And bearing in mind the volume is all the way up as well. So that's it. Right, what I'll do, I'll take the volume halfway. I want to see if I still get that bass that I get. Yeah, bro, the sound quality is absolutely crisp. You still get that bass, but it's just slightly a little bit toned down. But you can still hear the bass though. Oh, bro, but you know me, I'll be listening to this full blast all the way. Hey, yo, I be like a ninja, hey. Shit. Roof missing, aye. Don't make sense. Front place. Ooh. Freeways. Oi, bro, this is mad. Hey, nigga, icy. Ooh. I could be me, you be me, anti money. Ooh. To the city, aye. For the weekend, Hey, yo, ooh, yo, it's a bit mad, bro. This is mad. I can be here all day listening to tunes and this thing, man. It's nuts, man. Okay, let's see. What should we listen to now? What should we listen to next? Come on. What's going on, folks? Okay, we're listening to Loyal by Chris Brown now. Let's see what this sounds like. There's a lot of bass in this song, so let's see. Yo! Oh! Nigga, that's that nerd. Shit! About what, 8, 9. Hey, that nerd. All about us. From England. Yo! I Rachel, I want you. Aye! And your nigga can't do nothing for it. Yo, bro, the bass in this is mad. Ooh! Aye! Bro, I'm gonna be in the gym banging out the tunes. Man is gonna be in the zone, you get me? Just garage, ayy. Take a broke nigga, ayy. Big rich, ayy. Aye! Fine titty. I had to go to the bay with me. I supposed to marijuana. The other rasta. She wanna do drugs. Smoke weed, get drunk. Hey, shit. Thinking rappers. Original one you. Yo. Woo-wee! Bruv, these headphones, mate, I don't know, man. These are something else, man. Let me just point out to you guys, yeah? This thing weighs like a brick. Okay, maybe not a brick, but it's got a bit of heft to it. I'm not gonna lie. It's got a nice bit of heft to it. But on your head, you don't feel that at all. You literally do not feel like there's anything on your head, mate. When you're in the gym, you're pumping out the reps, you're going for a rep. This thing is on your head. Like, it's got like a tight fitment as well, which is just absolutely insane. Wow. The quality of the material on this is just absolutely insane, bro. Amazing, bro. And check this out, you can even take the ear cups out. That's mad. I hope you can put this in like in the wash for it to like get washed up. Oh, please, we don't want copyright, please. I'm not sure if you can put it in the wash, but if you can, that would be amazing because you can just wash them. And literally, they're magnetic. They're literally, look at this. It's on. That is sick, man. Anyways, my review on this, absolutely awesome headphones. If you're thinking about actually picking one of these up, go ahead, do it because it's just absolutely amazing, man. It's just an amazing headset. Honestly, man, it's sick, bro. It's sick. Anyways, I'm gonna do another review on this bad boy. Obviously, I'll go take it to the gym like a week or two or whatever. Then I'll come back again, review it. Because at the moment, first impressions, I'm very, very impressed. Absolutely amazing headset. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy these bad boys. And just don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below. Tell me if you have one of these and tell me how they're holding up for you personally. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace!